the joy this surgery has given you.
Yes.
I mean,
definitely.
would you say was it all worth it?
Yes, it was 110% worth it. And when I look myself in the mirror now, I genuinely feel happy. Like I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. Unwanted attention जो लोगों से मिल रहा था, that definitely made me so uncomfortable. और अगर ब्रा पे if you have to buy also, you have to spend at least 4-5 हज़ार एक ब्रा के लिए. तो first thing was reducing the amount of food I used to have. कि मतलब दिन भर में मैं कुछ खाती ही नहीं थी. 1 meal a day, 2 meal a day, ऐसे इस पे आ गया था. And yeah, I heard it from a lot of people कि exercise करो कम हो जाएगा. No, that's not true. By the end of the day, it felt like I was dying. So, and I think you'll end up hating your body more because everything else is small and this one part is just out there for everybody to see.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हमारे साथ हमारी ब्यूटीफुल पेशेंट है एंड शी हैज कंप्लीटेड 1.5 month, 1.5 महीना हो गया उनके ब्रेस्ट रिडक्शन सर्जरी के लिए. एंड ब्रेस्ट रिडक्शन सर्जरी इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लाइफ चेंजिंग सर्जरी दैट वी डू. तो आज 1.5 महीना हो गया एंड वी विल जस्ट टॉक विथ हर, एक नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्जेशन करेंगे कि हाउ हैज़ हर एक्सपीरियंस बीन, पहले क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आते थे, फिर सर्जरी, और सर्जरी के बाद अभी 1.5 महीना हो गया तो कैसे उनका लाइफ चेंज हुआ है, इसके बारे में हम बस उनसे बातें करेंगे. हेलो मैम, सो गुड आफ्टरनून एंड थैंक यू फॉर एग्रीइंग कि हमारे व्यूअर्स जो है उन्हें बताने के लिए अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी ब्रेव. आपने तो एट दिस एज यू हैव डन दिस सर्जरी, इट वाज अ ब्रेव डिसीजन, एंड देन प्लानिंग टू शेयर दिस नॉलेज and share your experience with viewers, because many people fear about this surgery, have fears about it, have many doubts about it, and you being coming forward and sharing this, it's a very big thing. Thank you for that. So क्या आप बता सकते हो कि before the surgery, I mean because of this thing, the heavy breasts, आप क्या क्या problems face कर रहे थे?
मैं the biggest problem मैं जो face कर रही थी was definitely exercise ki during the under boob sweat that happens, marks bra की वजह से. यहाँ पर stretch marks भी थे I think before,
because of the skin expanding.
Yes, and unwanted attention जो लोगों से मिल रहा था, that definitely made me so uncomfortable. And another big issue was trying to find the right clothes. Like if something fit on the upper body, it would not fit the lower body. If it fit the lower body, it would never fit the upper body. So yeah, a lot of problems I've faced. Finding the right bra size was difficult. और अगर bra पे if you have to buy also, you have to spend at least 4-5 हज़ार एक bra के लिए to buy the right fit. In India, I don't know abroad में कैसे है, but in India this is the issue कि for big boob girls there are no bras. Yeah, these are few of the issues.
So it's a message for the bra industry company people कि do something for it.
Definitely, please, yes.
Okay. तो अभी before deciding to go for surgeries, आपने क्या क्या try किया था in the hopes of कि this thing will reduce my breast size? What all had you tried?
First thing was reducing the amount of food I used to have. कि मतलब दिन भर में मैं कुछ खाती ही नहीं थी. 1 meal a day, 2 meal a day, ऐसे इस पे आ गया था. और फिर changes दिखे थे, like the rest of the body वो कम हो गया था, but the only part that stayed was my breast. And yeah, I heard it from a lot of people कि exercise करो कम हो जाएगा. No, that's not true.
But you must have experienced a little amount of change. I mean, थोड़ा.
It's there, but it's not visible. I'm going to be very honest with you. Like I have exercised for 2-3 years. There is a little bit of visible, but आपको दिखेगा नहीं. आप खुद को देखोगे मिरर में. Let's say अगर किसी को fat loss करना रहा, they see visible change in the mirror. But in case of where the tissue is big, आपको बाकी जगह you'll see the difference.
You'll see the change, but not in the breast.
Not there. And I think you'll end up hating your body more because everything else is small and this one part is just out there for everybody to see.
It doesn't match your body proportions.
No, not at all.
Accordingly.
No.
And I mean, when you planned for surgery,
Yeah.
तो सबसे बड़ा fear, what was one thing कि यार इससे डर लग रहा है? What was that one thing? Was it like surgery के बाद का pain or how hard the recovery is going to be, or was it something else कि like family क्या कहेगी, future में क्या होगा, breastfeeding कर सकती हो या नहीं? So what was it?
So my biggest fear was कि कितना pain होगा मुझे surgery के बाद, and the scars, anesthesia, कि will I die if I take anesthesia, or will I wake up? Because I met a doctor before this for the pre-op
evaluation
that I had to do, and वहाँ पर that doctor told me that a person had anesthesia and he went into coma. I was like, what? This is not okay.
So these are all myths.
So-
I mean, general anesthesia these days it's so
Yeah.
safe, and that's
Yeah.
why the concept of daycare surgeries has
Yeah.
taken up. Ki you can give anesthesia, the recovery, extubation, and all these processes are so
Yeah.
smooth.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about it. So and now after the surgery, all your fears as you had expected them, उसके कितने % में ये fears सच हुए आपके? I mean, pain and all these things.
Out of 1 to 10, I think it was a 3 or 4, because it was not that painful जितना मैं सोच रही थी, जितना पेन मैंने अपने दिमाग में इमेजिन किया था, फियर कि हाँ कि I will not be able to survive this. The first 3 days,
Yes.
definitely there was pain, but after that I felt normal again. I was doing my
Okay.
walking, I was having my normal food. I started working also, like I went back to my
Yeah.
day job. So yeah, out of 10.
And when did you start working? I mean, job को आपने कब से शुरू किया? I mean, after how many days of surgery you started working?
4-5 days. I
4-5
think.
days
Yeah.
के बाद.
I was
Oh.
able to sit back on the laptop and do the work.
And now after a month we allowed you to start exercising
Yeah.
and all those things. So how has it been? Ki, are you able to freely exercise? The movements, have they improved? Can you tell something about that?
Definitely, like it's so much more freeing now. I feel weightless sometimes. I'm not even kidding. Like I was working out the other day and I was like, wow, I feel so light. And that's a feeling I've never had. It's giving me goosebumps. So, yeah, I've been through a lot of pain and lot of comments and basically a lot of bad things with this. Nothing good has come. Not that I don't appreciate them. They've been with me all 27 years of my life. But getting rid of them has to be the best thing I've done in my life. So, yeah, it's so much lighter. You can do better exercise. You can move freely. You can wear whatever you want and not think that people will, keep constantly looking at them and judging them. And when I look myself in the mirror now, I genuinely feel happy. Like I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. It's definitely life changing.
Good. I mean, we can see the happiness and the confidence and the joy this surgery has given you.
Yes.
I mean,
definitely.
would you say it was worth was it all worth it?
Yes, it was 110% worth it. If somebody wants to go ahead with him, I will 101% suggest them to go ahead
Definitely go ahead with this surgery.
Once they get over the pain, it's all joy. There is no sadness after that.
And okay, let me just ask you one thing quickly. What was that one thing that you were not able to do it before surgery and now you're doing it and you're very happy about that? ऐसी एक चीज कौन सी है जो आप पहले नहीं कर पाते थे और अभी कर रहे हो?
I've bought all the clothes that I couldn't wear.
You are an influencer too. So
Yeah, I'm a content creator too. So I've bought all the cute little tops that you see on these people with small breasts. And तो पहले I had to wear at least 2 bras to go work out and then put on a top to feel comfortable and to exercise or to run. Basic जो running करते, not even कि runners जैसे run करो. Basic running करने के लिए भी you have to wear 2 bras and then go for a run. Now all I'm wearing is one little sports bra, and I'm so happy looking at myself in the body. I can't.
Good. I mean, I can see the happiness on your face. But yes, I think.
Other than that, what can I think about? One thing.
Is it some exercise or some particular kind of clothing that you wanted to wear? And yes, now you're confidently wearing it. Anything like that?
Sports bras has to be one of the big things, because I think I've had my breasts fully grown since 8th or 9th standard, and तब से ही people have been commenting on my body. It was out there for public comments, and तब से ही I had to start wearing 2 bras just to feel comfortable, just to do the PT classes during school. Sports bra was one of the big things. The back pain, I think every other day मुझे back pain होता था. I had to buy those strap things.
Posture correctors.
Just to stay straight. And मेरा 9 to 5 job है, so I have to be in front of the laptop, in front of a desk. And by the end of the day, it felt like I was dying. So yeah, that was one of the pain points while having my breasts. And now, like I said, I am going to Goa for 3 months just to go sit there on the beach with my bikini top or crop tops and enjoy life.
So yeah, I mean, about the scars also, I want to tell our viewers कि whatever the breast reduction surgery scars are there, they will always be hidden inside your bikini also, even under your bikini line, because those are around the areola and a vertical line and an extension laterally, which is hidden inside your breast fold. So they won't ever be revealed even in a bikini. So they are always concealed. So, and would you want to tell something to someone who is on the fence? मतलब वो बस सोच रहा है कि करूँ या ना करूँ ये surgery. So what would your advice be for this?
Advice? Okay.
To them, I mean, what should they, I mean, what would you suggest them?
I mean, yeah, I think I know you have your doubts. I get it. I was there. I've been there personally. And I know all the fears that you have. But just do it. Honestly, just do it. You'll never feel more free in your life. Trust me. If I'm wrong, come back to me. Hit us or something. But yeah.
No, good. And thank you for sharing your thoughts so openly, agreeing to this, giving your time for all this. Now we have finished 1.5 months.
Yeah.
Today we also did laser for the scars, so that the scars still become less prominent over time. And we'll be continuing with those treatments. We have also started silicone sheet application for the scars to be reduced. So we'll keep on with the recovery and we'll be in touch. Thank you again, and hope we meet soon.
Definitely, yes.
Thank you.
Really.
अगर आपके मन में और भी कोई डाउट्स क्वेरीज है रिलेटेड टू ब्रेस्ट रिडक्शन, या कोई फियर, मिथ या डाउट है, तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए. मैं और मेरी टीम ज़रूर आपको रिप्लाई करेंगे इन अ सेफ एंड साइंटिफिक वे.